Creates, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I make a triple crochet, also known as the treble crochet. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to grab our yarn and we're going to make a chain of 15. So make our slip stitch. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So to make the treble crochet, we're going to yarn over twice and then we're going to go back in the 5th stitch from the hook. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go in the top loop, the very top loop of the 5th stitch from what's on the hook. So the first step is to yarn over twice. 1, 2. So we're going in the top loop of the 5th stitch from the hook. So we go in, then we're going to yarn over and pull through. Now we should have 4 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to go through the first 2 and then the second 2. So we yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 on the hook. We're going to yarn through again, pull through 2, right? And leave 2 on the hook, and we're going to yarn over again and pull through these last 2. So in total you'll make around 3 pull through, right? So yarn over, go in the top loop right here, right? You're going to go in the top loop, yarn over, ensure that there's 4 on the hook, right? Yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2. So this is your second official treble crochet, right? And we're just gonna go right along. Yarn over. I'm trying to do it as slow as I can so you can see clearly. So you yarn over once, yarn over again, 2 on the hook, go through the top loop, the very top loop of the stitch, right? And then you yarn over, pull through 4 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to yarn over again, pull through 2, 3 on the hook, yarn over again, pull through 2, 2 on the hook, yarn over again, pull through the last 2. That's why I say that it's 2, 3, 2, 3, pull through each time. So yarn over in the top loop, right? Pull through 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 official treble crochet. I'm just going to continue right along. So this is the end of the first row, guys, right? And I'm going to show you how to do the second row. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to turn our work, and we're not going to put the first double, we're not going to first put the first treble in this one, but we're going to put it in the second one because this is considered to be the first treble, right? If you notice, it's the same as the bottom row, so we're going to put it in this one, right? So you yarn over 1, 2, and we're going to go through. We're not going to select the top part, we're going to go on the underneath both. You see it forms a V right here. We're not going to do the top row, we're just going to go underneath. So under, yarn up, 1, 2, 3, 4, pull through 2, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the first official treble crochet. 1, 2, go under, pull up, 4 on the loop, on the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2.